to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve a system of equations by graphing. So our first equation here is 3x minus 2y equals 4, and our second equation is 2x minus y equals 1. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert both of these equations into the form y equals mx plus b. Because if I did this, this would make it much easier to graph both of these equations. So let's start with the first equation, 3x minus 2y equals 4. So if I bring 2y onto this side, our right side, and if I bring 4 to our left side, I would get 3x minus 4 is equal to 2y. Now I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. These two cancel out, and I would get 3 over 2x minus 4 divided by 2 is 2 equals y. So this is our first equation. Now for a second equation, I'm bringing y to the right and 1 to the left, so I would get 2x minus 1 is equal to y. So this is my second equation. Now let's go ahead and graph these two equations. So for my first equation, I'm going to start at our y-intercept, which is b, which is negative 2 in this case. So I'm going to put a point at negative 2. And now I'm going to pay attention to my slope. We have a rise over run, which is 3 over 2. So I'm going to go up by 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to go to the right by 2, 1, 2. Now I'm going to do the same thing going down. I'm going to go down by 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to go to the left by 2, 1, 2. Now let's do this one more time. Down 3, 1, 2, 3. Or sorry, we have to start at this point. Down 3, 1, 2, 3. To the left by 2, 1, 2. Let's do this one more time for here. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the right by 2, 1, 2. So our line goes something like this. Sorry if it's not straight. So now let's go ahead and graph our second equation, 2x minus 1 equals y. So we start at our y-intercept, which is negative 1. We go up by 2, 1, 2. We go to the right by 1. Now we go down by 2, 1, 2. We go to the left by 1. We go down 2, 1, 2, and we go to the left by 1. And as you can see, this point intersects with another point from the first graph, meaning when a point intersects when the line for two graphs intersect at a single point, that point is the solution to the system of equations. And this point is negative 2, negative 5. Negative 2, negative 5. So this is actually our solution. Negative 2 would be our value for x, and negative 5 would be our value for y. And let's go ahead and plug this into the first equation to check if it's true. So we have 3 times negative 2 minus 2 times negative 5. This is equal to 4. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. Is equal to 4. And 10 minus 6 is 4. So 4 equals 4. And because this is right, we know that our solution is right.